This part of the connector is called break line. The type of this line can be changed. Let's see how it can be done. So I'm going to split this connector. Therefore, the split connector tool that is located in the Edit Components panel of the Schematic tab has to be selected. Then you need to select your object that you want to be broken. After that, as it is mentioned in the command line, you have to specify a split point. Then the split block dialog box will be displayed. In the break type area, you can specify the type of line. Also, you can have no lines in your connector break by choosing no lines. The straight lines will create the break part, such as this case. And the jagged lines are similar to this one. Also, you can draw your desired break line by selecting Draw It option. You can change the layer type by choosing the List button, and in the opened window, you can see all the existing layers in this drawing, and you can select each one of them. At this moment, because I don't want to make any changes into layer, I select Cancel button. Finally, based on your requirement, you can choose each type of break line. I'm going to choose the straight lines and see the results, so I choose OK. In the next step, you have to place the remain part of your connector. And finally, the applied straight line can be seen in this part.